How to change your bike engine oil. The engine is the heart of a bike. And engine oil helps to extend engine life and maintain performance. So, proper oil maintenance is a must. Here's what you'll need to change your oil. Engine oil, an oil filter, gloves, wipes, a funnel, a wrench and socket set, a drain pan for oil disposal, and a bike stand. Since bikes vary by model, we'll show you two options. Start the bike and warm up the engine to its normal operating temperature. Check your bike's manual and make sure you have the right engine oil and filter. For better oil drainage, make sure your bike is on a flat surface and leveled. Remove the oil cap on the top of the engine and place a drain pan underneath the oil tank to collect the used oil. Locate the oil tank bolt on the underside of the bike and carefully unscrew it counterclockwise. Then, wait for the used oil to completely drain out. Note that some bikes have an engine guard underneath, which needs to be removed beforehand. After completely draining the used oil, tighten the bolt to close the tank. Be careful not to over-tighten the bolt, as it may cause wear and fail to fully secure. Some bike models, like this one, do not have an oil filter. If your bike requires an oil filter change, follow along to see how this is done. Remove the existing oil filter from the bottom of the bike by slowly turning it counterclockwise. Then, take the new filter and apply a small amount of oil around the seal before installing it. Keep in mind, this may vary depending on bike models. Be careful not to over-tighten the new filter. Fill the oil tank with fresh engine oil using a funnel, then close the oil cap. Remember, changing your engine oil can make a big difference for your engine's performance and fuel efficiency. Warm up the engine and allow a minute or two for the new engine oil to settle. Depending on your model, check the engine oil gauge to ensure it's at the proper level and drain or top off as needed. Finish off by cleaning any excess oil on the engine surface. Change your oil regularly. Kixx.